Hey everybody, Dawn McGee here, your wellness strategist and nutrition evangelist. Um, Coming to you a couple days late because I was traveling last week and it was a super busy week, so hope that's okay with you. And that's exactly what I want to talk about today is how many of you have had a business trip planned and assume that it is going to be stuck in a meeting room, eating cardboard food, not being able to do anything that's part of your normal routine, not things that are good for you, make you feel better, bring you all sorts of joy. Well, let me share with you how I try to not do that. In fact, do the opposite when I'm traveling. Yes, I was traveling last week for a conference, and while that is great, and it's always good to see all the people have those great discussions, there's more to life than just work. Some of it was planned, some of it was not planned. I knew that I was going to be in Northern California, and so I planned a trip to my favorite winery. I was super fortunate that they were having a wonderful event on Saturday, so I extended my trip a little bit so that I could attend. So definitely knew that I had something to look forward to at the end of the week. Um, First day I got there, trotted myself out to the local Whole Foods, pick your store of your choice, got some bottles of water, got some snacks that I could put in the mini fridge, some fresh fruits, some other things that I could make a great PFC3 snack at the end of the day so that I knew that I was going to bed with my blood sugar stabilized and would wake up feeling great the next morning. Um, so I had the food. There was a gym in the hotel. And then you have a choice, right? I had long days, early morning meetings, and so either I give up a little bit of sleep in order to get to the gym in the morning, or I sleep in and don't do my workout in the morning. And I split it. So some of the days I got up early or did a workout, felt great. Some days I didn't give up the extra sleep. I just got up in time for my meetings, did a little bit of stretching, and went about my day. So it's a balance, it's always a balance. And then we had an opportunity that was completely unplanned. It turned out that while I was in California, the Rolling Stones were there, and we got last minute tickets. We got a really good deal on some last minute tickets. We got to see the last 45 minutes of the show, and that was epic. Certainly something to tell stories about. So sometimes you can plan everything, make sure it all works out the way you want, and sometimes it's also good to be spontaneous. If you get an opportunity, take it, run with it. It can make your week, make your day, make your month, and you can have lots of fun. So these are the kinds of things that I work with my clients on, that I teach other health pros to work with their clients on, how to integrate PFC3 food and movement and joy into your life. And so if you're interested, hop on over to my website under my Workplace Wellness tab and check out the video I've got there because you may be interested in doing this in your business as well. And if you are, I invite you to come join me on my next webinar at the end of August or hop on a quick call in the meantime. And as always, what I hope for you is that you live a life you love without being hungry, feeling deprived, or giving up any of the things that bring you joy. Until next time, ciao.